How to adjust the volume of ring and notification sound or volume, the call volume, the media volume, and also the alarm volume. You can also enable ring while on wrist. Okay, so these are all settings found on your OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll show you now where to go ahead and make changes to these specific settings. From the clock face of your OnePlus Watch 2, you'll go ahead and use the swipe down here, go to settings. And once in the settings, you'll go down to where it says sounds and vibration. In this part here now, you'll go past the volume section and you got the ring and notification volume. You can tap on this here to increase it. And these are all sounds that's going to be coming out from your OnePlus Watch 2 itself. You got the call volume here. So if you're in the middle of a call and you want to hear the person, you can increase the maximum loudness by going here. And it's going to give you a sound tone playing whenever you make the adjustment. This is your media volume for like if you're listening to audio through your watch, or if you're watching a video to the phone that you're connected and you want the audio to come out through the watch itself, you can adjust it from here. Then you got the alarm sound and you have the ring while on the wrist. So basically, if you have your watch on at the moment, alarms and timers will ring while you're wearing your watch. So if you want the sound to ring from your watch and not your phone, you will go ahead and turn on this setting here, okay? And you also have the option to change the ringtone right to the bottom here, okay? So when you go here, you'll have the different sounds here where you can adjust and find the one that's, well, right for you. And like and sub.